Matthew, who is that? Who is that? Is that you? Is that you? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Where's my boy? Get yourself. Can you give yourself a kiss? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? I'm going to kiss you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at that big piece of drool. Look at the drool. I know. I know. Say hello. Oh, are you trying to crawl? Oh, Steve, come on. Go on. Are you ticklish? I'm going to get your belly. I'm going to get your belly. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Look at that cheek. There's your nose. There's your nose. Look at that cheek. Oh, say excuse me. Say excuse me. Are you drooling all over Mommy's couch? Look. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do you see yourself? Yeah. You want to stand up? Oh, you want to stand up? Look at my happy boy. Look at my happy boy. Look. There he is. Look at you. Look at you. Are you going to try to walk? Come here. You want to sit? Say hello. Say, how's it going? Look at that belly. I'm going to eat that belly. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Is that Mommy's hand? Do you see your doggy? Do you want my phone? Say see you later.